Hello everyone, I'm back again. Welcome back to my channel. Allow me to introduce myself. If you don't know me already, my name is Precious and I do makeup tutorials and all of that stuff. So today's video is going to be what is in my eye or lash. So today's video, I'm going to be comparing two great powders. I'm going to be comparing the Old Faithful Mercier Translucent Powder in Medium Deep and the new Milk Makeup Blur Set Powder in Deep as well. So if you guys are interested in to see how these powders compare and how they look, then just keep on watching. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you can see whenever I upload and you be like the first to be notified, because I don't think that's working, or I don't know if, because some of y'all are subscribed to me and y'all are not watching my videos. But if you haven't already, again, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. One is 28, one is 29, one is 38. Let me know. Right now, matter of fact, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Do you think this is my right side? Let me know if you think my right side is lower or middle. Let me know down. Let's have a discussion down below. Once again, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like this video, go ahead and share it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys. I'm gonna prime with the e.l.f. This is the mineral infused face primer. And please forgive me about my lips. I'm a lip biter. I know it's probably disgusting, but I can't help it. Sometimes I'll like get over it and I won't do it, but sometimes I don't even catch myself doing it. So my lips are healing. I actually lost my freaking Blistex. That has been a lifesaver for me. And it had my lips looking all good, but I have some spots where I tend to bite. But for now, I just have one of my clear glaze glosses. I haven't put it out yet. It's just like a regular clear, but it's so freaking moisturizing. It's infused with vitamin E, and it just leaves your lips feeling so good. So I prime my face with the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. Now I'm going to set that primer, and I'm just going to go ahead and use my Milk Makeup setting powder. And I'm just going to use the sponge, and as you can see, I'm just going to dab and it's going to blur. Put a little bit, and it's a thick consistency. I'm going to spray the brush with the rose water. Going to dab some onto my brush. So I'm just going to use my cracked out beauty blender. It's really old. I've been having it for years, and there's like no mold on it or anything at all. I only cleaned my beauty blender when I was about to use it. Like how I'm using it now, you see it's like damp, it's almost dry. So then when I'm finished with my makeup, my beauty blender is practically already dry. So I didn't leave it to sit and dry wet, if that makes sense. And I think that plays a part, and it looks like this because my cats used to get to it for some reason. Well, obviously they thought it was like a toy, so that's why it's kind of beat up. And then my dog got to it. It's clean, but thing been through some. This was my first beauty blender, and I think I was like in 2000 around 2012, because I was working at JCPenney, and I was like, I'm not about to spend $20 on a sponge. But I had the Real Technique sponge. And I didn't like it. So, you know, if you work at JCPenney, you get discount on Sephora. I think our discount was 15. I think it was like 15 or 20%. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but I think I ended up paying. I got like $5 off from the discount. So I'm like, well, 15 better than 20. And ever since then, I've been in love. Now I have 3 beauty blenders. Well, 2 now because one's missing, and I'm sure my dog probably ate it or something because it hasn't come up, so I don't know where it is. I'm gonna do Laura on this side. I know I'm gonna do Milk on this side because this is my good eye and my good brow. I'm gonna do Laura on this side. I'm gonna do Milk on this side, Laura on this side. I think I should apply them both with the beauty blender because Laura doesn't have, oh, Laura has a sponge, but it's like, I don't know. Here's what I'm gonna do. Because I want this to be, you know, even, I'm gonna dip some, and now you can see I've already tried. I'm gonna apply some of the product into the top. So, and they are both in the shade medium deep. So I'm gonna take Laura. She already has some product right there. I'm gonna just dab that. So this is kind of like a comparison. So as you can see, Laura powder is darker or more yellow than the Milk. So that's both powders, and I applied them heavily both. So this is Milk. This is Laura. I have the 2 concealers on, the 2 powders on for um a few, probably like 2 minutes. I was taking a thumbnail picture. And it's weird that now that I have 2 powders under my eye, I can actually feel the Laura Mercier powder setting. Like, I feel like a weird kind of tightness compared to this one, and I haven't noticed it because I swear by the Laura Mercier powder. I have the translucent one and I have the medium deep. So I love the Laura Mercier powder, but I am loving the Milk Makeup one so much better. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of my highlight. Of both. Did I tell you guys I removed my moles? If you from my previous video, my previous videos, I had like these, I think they're called comedones, and these type of moles right here. I cut them off, and I was waiting to see how it healed on this side before I moved on to like this one. And I have some other ones over here that it just, I don't know, I just don't like the way they look and sit on my face. I won't do nothing to this one though since it's so close to my eye. But yeah, this one is one, but it's turned into like a scab. So I'm just waiting until that scab kind of falls off, or waiting to see what that's going to do. But yeah, like, look at that. So I'm still baking. I usually don't bake for this long, but it's a comparison. So I'm just going to leave it. So I'm going to contour. I have to like do that with that mole. I'm going to contour. Oh, and I also do not follow me, you guys. I'm just, you don't, this is a disclaimer. I also cut the bump that I have on my nose. I cut that down. I didn't do it all the way because I was kind of scared, but everything that I cut, it just bled a little bit, like a little dot. I cleaned it, it stopped bleeding and stuff. So, but don't follow me. I'm not telling everyone to go and cut the moles off, because I believe some moles or something can be like cancerous, but you know, I just did it. Yeah, don't follow me. If you guys are interested though in me doing the other side of my face, let me down in the comments and I'll definitely record me doing the other half. But okay, so now back to the powders. I'm gonna sweep away. And then my eye watering on this side. Oh, I hate my eyes. So now I'm gonna set my face. I would use the Milk Makeup one, but I haven't used my Maybelline Fit Me one in a long time, so I'm gonna use that. And that's this loose powder. I'm gonna use one of my Rollerball Illuminators from her cosmetics. I'm gonna use Gilded. Then I always like to apply a little on my hand, on the back of my hand, to get the product moving. That's how that looks. Roll it where I need to highlight. I like using my finger to dab. You don't want to swipe because you are applying a liquid onto your face, so it can remove product. So this is now the completed look. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you guys have a look that you guys want me to do or request, let me know down in the comment section, and give this look a thumbs up if you liked it. And I'll see you guys in my next video.